In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace fog light bulbs on a Ford Transit Connect. These are located behind the front bumper. Let's get started. We're going to move under the bumper and on the front portion locate 7 push pin clips. We're going to remove these using a trim tool. And continue this for the rest of the clips. And also on the corners of the splash shield, locate 2 T30 screws. Remove these using a T30 Torx bit. Repeat these steps for the other side. With our corner T30 fasteners removed, we're going to move on to the middle. We're going to find 4. One of ours is missing due to rust. But we're going to go ahead and remove those now. This one's already separated from the support, as you can see, so ensure all your screws are removed. If your middle splash shield is present, now is the time to remove it. As you can see, ours is missing. It'd be held down by fasteners here and in the back. For now, we could slide out our front splash shield. Let's take hold of it and pull out. And set it aside. Now that we removed our front splash shield, we have better access to both our fog light bulbs. To remove it, reach up and turn it counterclockwise. Pull it out of the assembly. And on both sides, we're going to locate tabs. We're going to spread these apart and pull the bulb out. And there it is. We're going to reinstall our fog light on the harness, put it in place, and on the harness there is a cutout. Match that with the one on the bulb. Once they're aligned, slide it in. And make sure both clips are secured. Now feed it onto the housing and insert it. Push down and align the tabs. Once they're aligned, turn clockwise until it fully locks. Make sure it's secure. Repeat this for the other side. We're going to reinstall our splash shield. Slide the front portion into the bumper, including the corners as well. Make sure it goes above. And make sure the clips are seated. We're going to reinstall our corner T30 Torx screws. Line these up and snug them down. Repeat this for the other side. We're going to also reinstall our middle screws. Snug these down as well. If the other portion of your radiator support is still present, now's the time to reinstall the other screws and also your middle splash shield. On the front portion of the front splash shield, reinstall your push pin clips. And continue this for the rest of the clips. And that completes our install. Once you're finished, go inside the driver's compartment and verify your fog lights work. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.